to mix my media, I'm going to start, if you can see, I've put all the outlines there. I'm ready to go. I'm going to get a small brush and I'm just going to use some watercolour paints just to put in some background colours, I think. There's a lot of black in this picture, but I'll start with, just put some blue into the window, I think. Start as if I'm putting the sky in. Now I'm probably going to work over the top with pencil crayon later, but it's just nice to get a bit of colour on there to get you started. Wet my brush again, sort of spread the colour out, make it look quite sky-like. I could go over the frame actually, and then put some water on first, all over, and then put a little bit more paint on that. Spread it through the water, and it's nice and sort of light and sort of transparent, like a real sky, not a solid block of colour. Okay. You can see my paper's sort of swollen up a little bit, so before I do any more to that bit, I'll let it dry for a few minutes and the paper will sink back down. I'm going to leave the sky sort of uneven. I might do some in pencil crayon as well, but let's just go for, I've got exactly the right green here. If I can fluff it up on my palette. It's like a jade green. Just get it going with my brush. And then probably need a smaller brush actually, because that one's a bit big. Okay, that's better. I'm going round and round on my paint. If you have a look, if you can see, going round and round. Really activate that paint so it's nice and syrupy. That's a word a lot of my students know. There we go, that's good to go. Now on here, on the picture, I don't know if you can see it, but I'm planning very carefully where this colour is going to go, because I don't want to get it in the wrong place. So I'll count it out, 1, 2, 3, about 3 little petal shapes. Stay in the lines if you can. Work your way up to the edges. I've got this stick down, it's no good stick down, take it off. Here we go. So I can turn my paper around and come at it from different angles. Always make sure your hand feels comfortable when you're painting. So pick up a bit more water, reload my brush with paint, look for the next shape. I've done the top one, and the next 2 shapes are, oops, down the side. Petal shape there, I think. Yep, check. Too much water on there. You've got too much water on, just touch a tissue with your brush, tip of your brush, and it'll suck out the spare paint. And let's see the shape, it's the big loopy shape, I think. So there's a red one, it's this one here. Yep. A tiny bit more water. I think that shape is probably a little bit bigger, so I'll just adjust it as I go along. That's better, I like that better. And then down at the bottom, checking out these little shapes here. I don't know if you can see them on your screen. Just going to paint those in. This one here. Well, I've got the right colour. Just a little bit more paint in there. I've been all silent on you, but that's because I'm concentrating. I have to think what I'm doing. Yep. Now I'm going to leave black to the absolute last. In fact, I might put the black on with pencil crayon right at the end, because I think that will make it pop off the page, make it all exciting. But I don't want to do it too soon, because you can't really paint over black. It's got to be sort of the last colour that you do. So I do everything else first. If I need to cover anything up, I can do it with the black. I'm going to stop there because I think that bit's wrong. I haven't drawn it correctly. Or that bit. So I'll just leave it for a minute. Oh no, that's black actually. That's black. I have done it right. I just haven't done that bit big enough, I think. So make that bit bigger. And that bit a bit bigger. Right, now time for a break, and just let that dry for a few minutes before I come back and do a little bit more. I've started to fill in some of the shapes with pencil crayon so that I can get a nice sharp edge to my shapes, and some of them are quite tiny and detailed. So if you sort of look, I don't know, here, this point and things like that, they're quite hard little shapes to do with paint. So I'm mixing my media. I'm going to use pencil crayon for those bits, and then for all the black shapes I'm going to try again to use paint. Some little bits are still doing pencil crayon, like the crossbar on the window. I'm going to do that with pencil crayon, black pencil crayon, and perhaps in that little shape there, black pencil crayon. What you've got to look out for is around the edge of all these shapes. If I show you the picture we're copying, you can see there's some white lines around here. So for that, I'm going to try and leave a little bit of the raw paper showing through, the white paper that I'm working on. So I've got to paint and colour really carefully to leave that little white edge, because that sort of outlines the pattern and makes it stand out. So that'll be tricky, but got my combination, paint and the bigger bits, and then again pencil crayon if I find it's too hard to leave those spaces. I still haven't worked out whether these are onions, lemons, no idea what they are, but anyway, it's a bowl of fruit, so just make it look fruity. Okay, here goes.